It starts with, we can't figure out this motherfucker four-wheeler right now. It's been spitting and it's been sputtering and now it won't even start or do nothing. So we're gonna have to work on the carb. I think we're gonna have to buy one. What do you think, it's a fart? Anyway, yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. So just letting you know. He tried so hard and he got so far. And at the end, it didn't even matter. Well, we rebuilt the top end and been running fine. And then the other day, it quit and died, just like it was Wi-Fi online. Anyway, no, seriously though, it running good. It was running good for like 30 minutes?
Yeah.
If at 15 to 30 minutes, and then it would just shut off.
Then
we had to wait a minute. Then you had to let it cool down. All right. And all that. So I'm going to tell them the story, right? We've actually rebuilt it. It's all rebuilt. Everything's checked. The valves is right. New plug. Cool's on the way in the mail. New CDI box. We put a new battery in it. Gel battery. This doesn't have any. We didn't replace the wiring harness or the stator. That's the only two things there. But when it's sparking good. So it's the carb. It has to be this carb. And we've jetted it. We've cleaned it. Like I say, it would run 15, 20 minutes, cut off. It done that, 10 times?
Yeah.
And then yesterday it quit. Now it'll only go plum, 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 and try to start and then falls on its face and it's nothing. And take the carb off and it's plumb full of gas in here. So I don't know yet. But we're gonna figure this bitch out. And this is the start of it. He's got it in his hand. We're getting ready to take it over on the bench. You know what's up. All right, guys. So we got Limp Biscuit in the background, and I hope I don't get hit for that with copyrights. But anyway, we're going to show you how to. It's not mine. I don't own the music rights. He does. Although I paid to play. I don't care, bro. Who cares? Little gas never hurt nobody. Anyway, see, he's always cleaning up. Good boy, though. Anyway, it's okay today. I'm going to let it slide. So we're going to have to figure this carb out because we can't figure out nothing else that's wrong with the bike. So, in my opinion, it's got to be this. We done had it apart how many times? I don't know. So
10 or 12.
This right here was a problem that we had. So we got that on order, or we're going to order it. Not ordered already. Anyway, it broke, so the idle screw broke, which I would rather have them. I don't know why they fixed it like that. They should have fixed one right here where you just turn it. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to modify this. I'm going to put me a little handle right here to where I can twist this thing, because it still works. I can't do it with my fingers, of course, but if you had something on there, it would. But I grabbed it with the pliers here and turned it. So I know it will turn up here. It just broke. But anyway, back to what we're doing before I keep talking about that dumb shit. Let's go ahead and pull the bottom of the bow off. Where's my good screwdriver? Yeah. So these screws are already shit, so I'm going to have to do this really easy like. Make sure this needs to go ahead and come off. Get rid of it. I need to really adjust on that probably too.
What?
I might need to take it out and clean it. That's your adjustment of how much fuel and there's see which ends which. Yeah, this is on your fuel side. This is how much fuel it's putting in now. That was what I thought I'd done the other day when I turned it on the side. And then just let fuel run out. That was just your drain plate part. I'm gonna put this here, guys, in this little side cover. That way all your screws and stuff, so you know where they're at. Now, I'll show you the 4 screws I'm gonna take out. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'll go ahead and do that, because I'm not going to hold it like that the whole time, just so you can see that. So I'll show you once, and I guess you get the gist of it. If you don't know what I'm saying, stop working on it right now, because you done fucked up. Tell him, Derek. I mean, seriously, you can work on stuff, but do you think you can take this car apart and put it back?
Maybe.
He's come a long way in a year.
I think he will.
Yeah, he really got into this about a year ago. Saw hardcore. We've had both of our four wheelers completely apart and back together. I've had shit all my life, but yeah, he started with that, and then so the 450R Honda 05, and then his 400EX 07 that's built to a 440. Like I say, it was running good, perfect.
I know it runs good.
And then what we do? We put a jet in it.
155 instead of 145.
Yeah,
no,
when,
150.
And no, I meant for the first time when it started. I actually started this. I done something to the carb.
It was a 155 at that
I
time.
think we changed carb things. You took out that gas and you wipe it off. Don't want to get this too wet because it will make it fuck up. So take you a paper towel and clean it off. That's what he's going to do. Now, you have a little diaphragm in here too. So we're going to go ahead and pull all of it apart and see if everything's working right. That doesn't actually feel great. I don't feel like it's doing much. We'll look at that in a minute. Let's fill the bolts. Let's get this back so you can see better. Now we got the bottom off. Take our float out. Take our little thing out. Oh! Huh. That might have been the problem right there.
What, that just fall
That was
off?
good. That just fell the fuck out of the carburetor.
Well,
What the hell? That's the
that
problem.
could be
That's
the
the
fucking
problem. Right, motherfucking there.
it just fell out. It wasn't even tightened.
That's your problem. Well, I might have fixed it. We'll put it back together and see.
I'm gonna shit my pants.
Wait, don't shit your pants.
If
Don't
that
do
was
that,
my
dude.
fucking problem, I'm gonna crash the hell out.
No, it ain't your whole problem.
No, but that's probably why I'm not starting.
I hate to start a project and stop, though. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and don't do that at home. That fucking hurt. I'm gonna check this out too while I'm here. I'm just saying that didn't move very good, so I don't even know what this does. To be honest, it's some kind of little diaphragm with a spring in here, so be careful. I feel it coming apart now. I don't even want to take this apart. I was gonna look at it through the crack, actually. Really? Look. You see that spring pushing there? I can see it right there. Look.
That's sketchy.
See, it ain't working that great, but I guess it is working. I'm going to set it off. I should have did that. Back on there.
Want a straight line?
Well, no, I got it. I guess. Alright, see, that's why I'm putting it back. That's good. We're good there.
Scary stuff.
I shouldn't have took it apart.
Scary stuff.
It'll be alright. Squish it in there. I'm telling you, we're about to the point where we're just going to buy a car because I'm tired of fucking with this piece of shit. It's made Honda's name. You know how good Honda's name is, guys. I love Honda, but I'm a Kawasaki man now. I done went to a Kawasaki KX 450F. By God. I said, the hell with this Honda. It made me mad. Now it's moving good, see? Alright, we're back in business. Come on.
You need straight weighted.
Yeah, I do. Why didn't you have one, though?
Because
You wasn't prepared.
I forgot.
He wasn't prepared.
I'm prepared for YouTube.
You're never prepared, man.
Chill out. I was just missed one screwdriver.
Crash the fuck out, bro.
Just missed one screwdriver.
That's alright. Let's count this now. Count before you do anything. So let's see. Let's see. That's half. Whole. Half. Oh, that's 2.
Half. That's 2.5.
Half. Whole.
3. 3.5.
Half. Whole.
4.
Half.
4.5. 5.
Oh. I'm afraid to go any further.
I thought it was you back it out.
I was. How many am I in? Yeah. 3.
3.
2.5. 2. 1.5. 1. That's where it was at. That didn't look right.
I think you're supposed to turn it out and then go in.
No, bro. You're supposed to go all the way in, but I didn't want to go. I didn't want to go no further because I just wanted to kind of move it to make. You know what I mean? I think it's okay, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's getting gas, so like we know that for sure. All that stuff.
Carburetor tweaker.
Huh?
This carburetor's just a tweaker.
That it is. I almost changed the needle valve there a little bit.
What about the pilot? What about the pilot?
That pilot's fine, bro.
What do you mean with the pilot?
What pilot's in it, bud?
I don't fucking even know.
Well, let's find out, bro.
I don't know, I just wanted to. Because I don't know what it does.
Nobody do, Daddy.
Just
Daddy.
wondering, but
By the way, this is Seether's music, not mine. We are just borrowing it to listen to. I'm not trying to have no rights or none of that on it. See what it is? I can't see that fucking shit these days. Go ahead and go get another one so we'll just make sure. You always want to blow on it like it. See?
It's a 38.
Whoa.
It's a 38. I might need to go up.
Gas tastes like shit.
It's only 38. I might need to go up.
What was in it?
I don't know.
Get the box. I don't know which one. I'll look at it. We're definitely going to have to speed this process up, but anyway, guys, I'll just go ahead and tell you, if you want to take your float out, look, you push this little pin through here. Hell, I'll push it through if I can get it. Hold of it. I ain't got my thing over here to get it out. He forgot that too. See if I can-
Whatever, forget.
That little red push pin thing. I got it. Maybe it's these needle nose. I got a hold of it. I really shouldn't take it out. That was going to show them the slope thing. I can't get it out there any goddamn way. Jesus Christ. That's good the other way. I might just be leaving it in there. God damn.
Shit, I'll just leave it.
I say, I'm lying to you. I'm gonna fuck it up more. I don't know why it's like that. We need to cut this off right here.
Oh, yeah, that thing.
That's a bad deal. Let's see.
Is this mine or yours? Because this is 50 and that's a 38.
I don't know.
I think
yours and mine both is in there. I changed, I think.
Only one of them's in here. That's old.
What do you have in there?
This is my. Huh?
There should have been 2 old.
There's only one.
Which
old.
one's this one?
50. But I think that's yours.
What did you have in it just then?
This is a 38.
Find me a 45. We'll go in the middle.
That's 38. Hold on. This one way more.
Maybe you should look it up.
Wait, what did you say though? You wanted a 45?
Yeah.
That's 45.
I'm just trying to give you a little more feeling there, but that might be our problem, too.
This is a 40 or you want a 45?
Huh?
This is 40.
45. You're at 38. You want to at least go up a little bit to where you make a difference.
I'm gonna put it the old one over
That way
here.
you can tell, and if it's too much, we'll back it out and put another in it. So that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this back together. We're going to try this like this since this was not on there right. And if that don't work, then we'll come back to it. I done cut this, so I'm going to be able to slide something up on here. Once I get-
MacGyver.
Yeah, I'm going to MacGyver it. Let's see which one's the bad boy
Sorry,
guy
hold
right
on, you need
there.
casket.
Oh yeah, I probably need to put that on there. That's for sure.
I swear you need to be Fuji.
Yeah,
Fuji Customs though, bro.
Fuji Customs, bro.
Fuji Customs.
That's coming soon to a town near you. This is the part I hate, making this son of a bitch stay on there. I should put a little something on it, like grease. Yeah. God, it's so hard. I want to do it this way. I hate this motherfucker. So I can't really tell which way I'm going, man. When I do it, fucking fucks with me because we can't put it back on like that. It's this way. Yeah. Oh, the plastic thing. Get that little plastic, man. I forgot that too. Oh, I'm over here. Put your plastic thing back in here, boys.
Yeah, you might want to do that.
Yeah, you gotta get your plastic.
Yeah, you might want everything also in the carburetor tight, and it might run right. Maybe. Maybe.
Shut up.
I said maybe.
Hey, it's your fault.
I ain't jinxing shit, yo, because
You did this.
I can't believe it just fell out. That's funny.
You and them goddamn jets.
I think I just forget.
I'm having a problem out of this. I'll tell you that now. Might have to find something to stick it down.
Why that then, Bruce?
I'm afraid it will make it leak. It's already been pinched, I can tell. I don't see it. You're going to have to order a rebuild kit if you keep this.
Just order the car.
God damn. It's so hard to do that. I'm over here off camera, but I'm sorry guys, you just have to bear with me for a minute. I'm literally going to take a screwdriver and sit that in there. Get it in there now. It's definitely not. Aggravating piece of shit.
Them last gaskets, that's just hard. So them last gaskets, that's just hard.
Yeah, it should like. That might be right there. I might have it. I think it wiggled its way down in there, maybe. Yeah, let's put one right there. It's okay. If it don't work, then we'll get a new one. That's where I'm at. You wanted this.
That's a good one.
I wanted to. Yeah, I meant another screw in there. So I'm saying on this side. Actually, I put it in the wrong hole. If I can get this down right and not pinch it wrong way, God damn it. Work with me, gasket. I went too far on that already. I see that. I put one on this. Put them all in there, matter of fact. I had to let that back up a little bit. Wiggle this back down. That's a bitch. I hate taking these motherfuckers. I hate carbs. Did I ever mention that?
You got fuel injection now.
I know, right?
Is that different? Is it better?
Way different.
Is it easier though? Is it better?
I don't know if I'd say easier.
Yeah.
Come on, don't leak. Don't you leak. Don't leak it. You fucking bitch it. I hate carbs. Did I mention that? Fucking junk pieces of shit. Why they gotta make them like that? I mean, really? You tell me I couldn't have done a better job than this? You know what I mean? I mean, really? Really? Man, really?
I could.
Like, really, bro? I don't need that. I just need the screw. That big screw, we ain't putting the other thing on it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna try to put that on that. Like this. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Then it'll do it. Then you can just reach down there and go, burp.
That'd be so easier.
Yeah. I don't know why they didn't do that, Honda.
And also, you can find an aftermarket one for the Honda.
Yeah, I know.
400. You can for yours. That's bullshit.
Yeah, I can for the 450. Not mine. It ain't mine no more. It's some other.
Oh yeah, I keep.
It's traded.
I forget.
It is on another video. If you want to check that out, go back a few. You'll see the trade.
I forget the stuff.
Blah blah blah. All right. It looks like it's all right. I don't see no gaskets fucking jumping out the side, but it was already fucked up a little bit. You seen that? I need to go ahead and set this all up just a tad bit more.
Just a little bit. I wouldn't do too much.
Shut up.
I'm just saying, it's pretty good. I mean, it's okay.
There you go.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Why are you missing on that?
It's in it. I'm not gonna put that on there. I'm just gonna try to start it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, now we're gonna go over and watch you put this on, I guess. Right there. How do you feel that your floor is down there?
I'm about to crash
How
out.
is it making you feel? It's summertime, bro. Well, springtime, I'm sorry. We were supposed to have been ready. I'm ready. Look at that.
Oh, bullshit.
I'm ready.
Hey, shit.
You ready? No.
Oh, nothing.
All right, so we're going over. Let's just take a little gander here. before you do that.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, make sure this is all sealed up good. Is there any cracks in this boot you see anywhere around here? That would cause our problem too. We might have to just buy some boots. That could be a problem. You know, I didn't think about that. But really, that being that jet in there being loose like
I
that.
forgot about the fucking throttle.
Yeah.
I might need that.
Yeah. You probably want to loosen this. I'm sorry, I was over there. I need to loosen this up a little more for you. That way you got plenty of room to stretch getting it in there. That way it sits there right. Because it's got them little grooves it's got to sit in. You see that?
Yeah, I think yeah.
And you need a new rubber. Or you're going to have a baby.
I don't like rubbers.
I know, but you're going to have to start liking them. It looks like where you're going to have this problem, you know.
I'm having a lot of problems.
You're going to have a lot of problems. You see how he's doing that, guys? You like the cable installer?
Yeah, that's supposed to
He's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Probably should have hooked that first. But your little fingers will feel on it.
Yeah.
Ah.
Really, they do. It's kind of easy. No, look how easy that is for me. No, really, look how easy that is for me. You can't do it.
I can't do it. I literally can't.
Kind of funny.
It is kind of. All right, let's get her in there. Let's get her done. Get her in there.
I'm getting her in there. Get up on there.
Oh, watch it. Get it in that groove now. You know where the
Oh,
groove
it's
is.
in the
This
groove.
groove
It's in it.
has to be in there. Here.
It's in it.
See this groove, guys? I'm going to show them. I can't see it. Go get that light. We can't see. Hang on, I'll get the light. You just stay still, Derek. See this right here, guys? That is the beast. That is one evil son of a bitch. I'm telling you. I just took one little ride on it so far, like 2 seconds. And I'm telling you, the front end was off the ground in 3 years and me not even meaning to. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? Yep. He told me it was evil. Well, I just thought he was bull. You know how everybody said, I got that good. It's that good. Anyway,
See right here, Nick?
that's it right here. So look, you see that right there, guys? Show them. Point at it, Derek. Little cut.
Right
You see
there.
the little cut? That has to line up into that groove.
Yep.
And if you don't have it, which Derek does it right now, it's all sideways cocked. I told you tighten that front one first, boy. You don't listen to me ever. Like ever. Like he literally doesn't listen. Like, and he knows I'm right. I'm all the time right. I'm like every time. Who's right? Me. I've only been wrong once in my whole fucking life.
You want a cookie about that?
Ah, man, you keep offering cookies, but you never have one. Somebody donate Derek some cookies. We're about to delete this whole airbox.
Yeah,
Completely.
He's
He's gonna go ahead and get him a 450R card, probably.
Thanks.
Get her in there now. Don't pull your head off now. You want the front for sure.
It's tight. That's what I'm saying.
You got her? You get it in there, buddy? In there? Huh? No air leaks? Nothing going on?
Here, will you tighten it up while I hold it up?
Nope.
Not real.
Is it on the bottom? It don't
Yeah.
feel like it's on the bottom.
I'm holding it up, so it will be
Okay,
on the
you
bottom.
hold her up right now. I'll screw it. You hold that thing too. Hey,
Oh.
hold it. Hold it! God damn it. I'm holding the camera here, buddy.
Where are you?
I mean, shit.
It's in
I mean, fuck. Lord have mercy.
Oh yeah, she's on there good then right there.
You go in there and get that there. Now I'd say the float or the jet works better.
Probably.
I'd say
You say?
it will.
Now give him a gas tank.
Broom!
Hey, can you move that light?
That piece of shit over there, we're going to have to put that up for sale. Really, I rebuilt the whole top end, as you see there. Look. See that? I got to do the camera in, you know what I mean? The noise. Anyway, like this is like that new, what was it, a Charger?
Oh yeah, that fucking electric Dodge.
Yeah, EV, goddamn Dodge Charger has a speaker underneath of it, so you can you have the choice to have sound or no sound. Well, you know what? I'd have to upgrade, get me 2 18s up under that bitch. I'd be bumping, you know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out. I hate electric. I'm never going to it. I know it's fast. I already seen it, but I've never changed it. I want my motor, I want my gas, I want to smell exhaust fumes. I want it to be hot and burning my legs. I want that. So that makes us a man. I'd feel like a fucking sissy riding something that don't even handle it. Weeps. Sound like my RC car I used to have when I was a kid. Weep. What are you doing, bud?
I don't need it.
Go ahead, bud. Hang it up there. Do what you do, bro. Do what you do.
Alright.
Do you, man? Look at this sweet bike over here, though. Man. Every time I look at it, it's got a new back rim coming because I broke the spoke. First ride, broke 2 spokes. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Fuji go hard. Fuji the boss. Fucking out off-road. You know what I mean? We in there. I just hook it up right there and see what happens. Hook it up and see what happens. You know what I mean? I'm gonna hook it up and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? That old clear coat, I clear coated this plastic, y'all, and it looking pretty good. Because the stickers was shit. They were them paper stickers. They got him when he ordered them, and they was paper. So, you know what paper do when it get wet? It sucks up. So we sprayed it with clear coat, and it looks damn good. It made the plastic look good as hell.
Now my return line's leaking gas.
Huh?
My return line's leaking gas.
I mean, the float stuff or something.
The fuck?
That quit it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Ah! Float was stuck up. What was? You bang on the carb like it'll help it sometimes.
Alright, let's try this motherfucker.
Come on, bitch. Come on. So, here we go. We're going to put it all back together here. There he is. He done put his tank back on, put this little plastic thing down here on. And if you've got a 400DX, I don't need to explain to you how to do that, right? I mean, I shouldn't. If you own a four-wheeler and don't know how to do this, you may as well sell the four-wheeler. I mean, seriously, I hate people that got stuff and they're like, I'm a rider. But you're not. If you don't know how to take it apart and fix it, you're not a true rider. You're not a true quad or bike person in my eyes. I know every piece of inch of these motherfuckers.
I know every inch of mine, but that's it.
They're all pretty much the same. You know what I'm saying? Just some's bigger. You know, some's two smokes, and some's I like 2 smokes, but I'm a 2-smoke guy. That's what I started on when I was a kid, you know what I'm saying?
You got a 4-stroke?
Yeah, I'm a 4-stroke guy because I got old and I like to just have that bottom end where I can just crawl right up a hill. Plus this thing, mine's got an insane amount of power. That 450 quad I had, the Honda TRX, the 05 Honda TRX 450R that was built pretty much to the gills, except for being bored. I can smoke it with this 450 KX F.
That's insane. That motherfucker is
Smoke
fast.
it. And I know I can smoke it. I bet this bike will run 100 mile an hour.
Oh damn.
And that's fast. that's fast for a dirt bike. I'll make it go 120 when I start changing teeth.
God damn, you insane him.
Won't it though?
Ain't nothing around here.
Ryder, I ain't forgot about you, Bubby boy. We're gonna get there. We just ain't been able to pull. He ain't been able to pull yours to start it.
Yeah, mine's been down.
I can't get this one, man. The only thing is this. There's a hose on the side of the air box here. I'm gonna show y'all. Maybe somebody will leave in the comment and tell me what the fuck it is. Yeah, I got my dirt shit. We'll move it here to the couch. Anyway, so he got us the new gel battery, just like Derek bought. That's where we got the idea. These are good batteries. But anyway, there's a hose here, right? Comes from this box. I watch you, Michael Sabo, out there. Y'all don't know who Michael Sabo is, check him out. So this hose, anyway, he does a lot of these Suzukis. That's why I said that. I need help, Michael. But anyway, I watch Stupid Fast John too. Go check him out. There's a lot of people I watch. But anyway, sub up if you haven't. This hose goes in this hole down here is what I'm getting at. You can't see the damn hole, but there's a hole right here under all this crap right where my finger's at. I'm trying to show you. I can't get in there. Can you see my finger? See my finger? There's a hole down there. Trust me. But this goes from there to there. I can't figure it out. It run like the other day. It started on the key, right? Run good. Now it won't do it. Watch. Nothing. It's getting sparked. Done checked that. Done checked spark. Done checked everything. These wires are shit. So I'm guessing I'm going to have to go back through that. But anyway, back to the one we're working on right now. I guess I should be watching you do that.
That's what it is.
We'll get there. We're going to get that Suzuki piece of shit running though.
Piece of shit.
It'll run. It run down the road, didn't it? Just you can't give it full throttle. It's like a half throttle, and then like anything past that, it just falls on its fucking face. Blah, blah. I don't know. New carburetor on it. New top end rebuild. I never did fuck with Suzuki though. I don't like them, but he traded YZ 250, 93 YZ 250 I had to that Suzuki because he wanted the quad.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it was fast, but
Yeah.
that's about it.
He kept slamming it though. Ryder kept slamming that YZ.
Oh yeah, but I forgot what that is.
He rode that quad pretty good, like maybe a little bit too good. He kept slamming it too, I think. You ought to seen the oil I dropped when I dropped the oil out of it. Tell them about the oil, man.
Oh, out of his shit is awful.
When I first rebuilt it and dropped the oil out, it looked like water coming out of it. I swear to God, it was so bad. Well, he didn't got his broke in because we can't get it to start right.
I forgot about that.
It'll run a little bit. It won't run good though. Got a pull started. So if anybody knows what's going on with that, let me know. I'll fix it. Is it the CDI box going out? Is that what it is? Well, I want it start on a starter, but it'll pull start. Doesn't make sense.
Fuck no.
Go Derek. We're gonna put this in hyperdrive. You'll be like, you know what I'm saying? All over the place. Hyperdrive. You pretty much got it all but the back end setting on it, huh?
Yeah.
And your hood. You gotta put your hood back.
Yeah.
I'll go snap your hood on, so I'll go ahead and get that for you. You gotta put some gas in it.
I might have to use it.
My little gas.
I hate to use the last of your guys.
I know, that's fine. I'll get some, bro. I got a full tank, don't I? There was that hood. Good looking forward. We added this because we put the 440 on it. Put that on there. Keep her good and cool. That comes off of the other oil cooler, which is up under here. See that? So we just broke off them lines, cut them off. I mean, I'm in here. This is just some wires I got for the headlight. Or no, what is that for?
My green lights.
Oh yeah, red lights. The red lights. The underglows. I just taped them to it. Well, anyway, I'm gonna watch him pull out, I guess, and see what happens. Then we'll just upload this one. Because I'll be trying to figure it out. People was telling me a few things, you know, and I tried it. And they actually on the 450, that was when I was listening to them about that. So we're going to do this one now.
What are you having to see?
Get some help from the people, huh?
You having to see?
Hang on, guys. I'm going to help him because you know how that battery shit is. All right, so we got the back end on it. It kind of takes two people. What I was saying is, y'all know how that battery is. You got to pull this shit out, and somebody in the back got to drive. You don't have to, but it's really hard to do by yourself. So there we go. Wow, you got it. Use that reverse. Use that reverse. Idle's a little high. Well, looks like it's running pretty good, guys. We'll see what happens in 15, 20 minutes. Here's the problem fixed. Here he is, 10, 20 minutes later. He's kicking ass. Hey, I can't believe that's all it was. We've been doing everything this thing. We bought a CDI box and everything. It's insane, huh? He's doing good. Running good too, looks like. All right. That's it, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you drop a comment. See you next time.